This video will illustrate how to set topic option preferences of a background colour, font and font size for the steps in the sequence in the topics in the ActiVise sequencing software. I'm going to enter as a guest user. Click on the Enter Your Content button, and I'm going to use the topic that we created in the last video, Henry VIII's Wives. I'm going to take this topic to one of the 6 games within the software. And you can notice that the text is very difficult to read. This is because I haven't set the topic option preferences. So I'm going to return to where I entered the content, select the topic I want, and then click on the topic options cog icon. This will now allow me to select a different background colour, font and font size. Click OK, and I will now return to the game to see the impact of those changes on the steps in the sequence. And you can now see that the steps are much clearer and easier to read. However, it is important to understand that these topic options have only been set for this user. I entered as a guest user. If I now enter as a returning user, and go back to click on the Enter Your Content button and select the Henry VIII's Wives topic, you will now notice that the topic options have returned back to the default selection because the topic options that I set were set under the guest user. So therefore, the topics are available to all users, but the topic options can be set for different users depending on their preferences. So I'll select different topic options for this user, and I'll now go to the game to see the impact of these changes. And you can now see that it's the same topic, but the topic options are set differently. If I return back and enter again as a guest user, you can now see the topic options that I set for that topic for the guest user.